So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy crypto stocks, or I guess cryptocurrency stocks here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on markets. Once you're here, I want you to go to this top bar, so if overview is highlighted, and press on crypto just like this. Now, if you're looking for different crypto stocks, there's different ticker symbols right here. There's also crypto ETFs as well. But if you wanted to press on Bitcoin, for example, just like this, you can kind of view the chart of Bitcoin. If you want a related ETF, for example, of Bitcoin, you can go ahead and do that as well. But crypto stocks right here, we'll just press on ticker symbol MSTR. Then go to the bottom left and press on trade, press on buy, and then go through the proper steps this way. So that is how you guys can buy cryptocurrency stocks here on the Moomoo application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.